I thought I'll just pinch myself once because it was Sir's movies which we have watched since, I'm sure a lot of you. How many of you would like to say that here's a man sitting who made you fall in love with love stories? How many of you? Can I show? And a round of applause to underscore that. So thank you, Subhash ji, for joining us, and thank you, Meghna, for joining us here. Absolute pleasure. We all know, the storytelling is something that runs, which Sir you epitomize, and it runs through, and it is being passed on now through Whistling Woods also. So we would love to understand from that. So Subhash ji, for starting with you. Sir, जब आप movies बना रहे थे, when you were making those movies, were you, consciously building an enterprise, or how, or did that come later? I mean, अब बाद में सोचा कि enterprise बनाएंगे, उस समय बस movies ही बनानी थी.
Good evening to everyone here. Needless to say that everyone who's here is a film lover.
Of course.
You see, maybe in their younger age they must have seen the films or later. But they understand the importance of cinema and storytelling, which influence society, people, and it talks a lot about a country and a culture of the nation. See. So, आपका जो सवाल है कि आपने कैसे सोचा कि फिल्म मेकर बनेंगे, फिर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में जाएंगे, फिर प्रोड्यूसर बनेंगे, कॉर्पोरेट बनेंगे. You see, we are all children of universe. So when we are born, we are a small particle of this universe living on this earth. And we get our own inspiration and aspiration, irrespective to our family, our parents. They want to force us to do the right things. And we do that after 15, 16 years. Chalo, BCom karo, BA karo, BA pado. But there is something within you. I was always interested in my childhood to hear the stories of the other people. Stories of my mom, my auntie, my school, my teachers, my friends. It was always interested in me, आपकी क्या कहानी है, आपकी क्या है, आपकी क्या है. And I used to find very interesting those stories were so much different to each other, but same at the level of fear, growth, insecurity, and those are all kind of things. So the storytelling asked me that you are born as a storyteller. So I used to write stories in my school magazine. There when you are inspired to do something, that you join that kind of course. So without telling my parents, I did join Natya Shastra. Natya Shastra, I found it very interesting because it is much different than other professions. You come to know the people through the art of human development. You create a human development through this art. Dance, drama, music. This looks like entertainment, but it is not. It is much deeper and spiritual and psychological and philosophical. When you reach into the stories, you find so many things, and it interests you. And then you create a story. So when you become a dramatist or a storyteller, you don't design. You want to be a complete person. That's it. Today I'm storyteller, tomorrow I'm a filmmaker, then I become an entrepreneur. Things happen gradually, but you have to be passionate about it. And gradually you have to, when you climb it, you do not know. you discover, you rediscover yourself, then you rediscover yourself. अच्छा ये आर्ट है, अच्छा ये साइंस है, अच्छा ये टेक्नोलॉजी है, अच्छा ये कॉमर्स है, अभी ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप है, ये कंपनी है, ये वो लोग ऐसे हैं, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं, आगे बढ़ते हैं. बस यू ओनली आप आगे बढ़ सकते हैं जो आप चाहते हैं, जो आप में गुण हैं, वेदर डॉक्टर, लॉयर, बिजनेसमैन, मनी मैन, जो भी है, और उसी में आप बढ़ते चले जाते हैं. That's how I build up.
Right. No, complete. Thank you so much. And I think entrepreneurs sitting here would resonate that, as you said, that they pivot, they change as the time comes, and they embrace what is coming new, and then prepared minds. You know, that's what is important. So, Meghna, I'll quickly come to you. So, when Subhash ji was doing all this, and you were at home, we sir ने बोला आप ड्रामा में आ जाते हैं, तो आप फिर सोचते नहीं. तो आपके लिए, how was it for you? You know, when he was doing all this, when he was changing his career path and doing different things, what were your learnings? And more than that, आपको घर में ड्रामा करने से पापा मना नहीं करते थे कुछ? आप जब आप घर में ड्रामा करते थे, said that when you're dramatist, you don't stop, you just keep doing. So, how was it at home?
So I think my bringing up was very grounded. It was, my mom is a very non-filmy person, and so she kept me away from everything that was filmy. At the same time, I think my father was not just a filmmaker and is not just a filmmaker. He didn't just make films, he built an ecosystem. I mean, growing up, I saw so many people come into our home, interact with him. They would interact with me. I never felt that they were film stars because the way he approached people was on a very humanistic level. And I think through the generations, I've seen people come into our homes and they may be big stars, but I never saw them like that because of the way he treated them and they treated him. So I think what he did with what he's done with his life is really created friendships, trust within the community, and that goodwill, which I think today we see in Whistling Woods. So for me, when I look back at my childhood, I am amazed at how he was able to really bring everybody in his corner. And, on film sets, for example, I never saw him because he was always shooting or making films. So it was in my holidays when I would go and visit his film sets. And I remember he would treat the spot boy or the biggest star with the same love and affection. And I think those memories are the ones that I cherish the most in terms of his career.
All right, thank you. Sir, here are a lot of entrepreneurs and aspiring startup owners. So when you're making a film, it's like a startup, right? Every film. there is एक business कोई बनाता है पूरी ज़िंदगी में या दो business बनाता है maybe, but एक movie बनाना, it's like starting up. Last could be a super hit, but another movie is another story altogether. So, it's a high risk, uncertain outcome. So, वो conviction जो आता है, how does it come? Does it come through, just the instinct, or there is data behind it, or there is something else? What was your mantra, and how did you conjure the strength to do so many high risk movies?
See, when your instincts work, gradually it becomes your conviction. When your instincts work, the people acknowledge it. Yeah, you're right. When they say you're right, you feel I can do that. When you do it, then you do it well. Then again people approve. Again, then it becomes your conviction. Now let me do this. That's called conviction. Conviction ऊपर से नहीं, instinct से आता है आपके. You see, you have to be a people's person in our profession. Every human skill, human being belongs to me. Every technology belongs to me. Every issue, problems, emotion of a human being belongs to me, means my subject. My subject is so vast. Filmmaking. We are making a story journey of a man for 2.5 hours. It's not a joke. And you travel with him, travel with 18 characters in a story. And you have to deep down in every character throughout the film, writing detail of the sketch of the characters. ये lawyer है, ये policeman है, ये doctor है, ये लॉयर है तो अच्छा लॉयर है, वैल्यूड है या कमीना है, या स्मार्ट है या कमर्शियल है, किस तरह का लॉयर है, ये डॉक्टर है तो कैसा है. ऐसा नहीं कि खाली डॉक्टर. सो यू अंडरस्टैंड द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वी कैरी. एंड फिर उस कन्विक्शन से जब आप काम करते हैं तो आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट दोनों चीज़ें आती हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी पीपल, यू हैव टू बी फ्रेंडली इवन टू द गैंगस्टर, इवन टू द क्रिमिनल्स, कि भाई आप कैसे सोचते हैं, आप खलनायक कैसे बने, आप तो नायक थे आपके अंदर. हाउ डू यू थिंक, why do you want to kill people? So it is a perspective, and you will listen their story, you will wonder that he is justifying himself, he is justifying his pain. So that is how the story writers come to. If we we are epical people, we respect Mahabharata and Ramayana. आप सोचो कितने कैरेक्टर्स हैं, 3000 back we wrote, and it is still we are following those characters. Still we remember our life, our culture, our values move according to them. हम उसको ओबे करें या न करें वो हमारी मर्जी है, क्योंकि हम नया ज़माना लाते हैं, हम चेंज चाहते हैं. वो घोड़े पे थे, हम लोग फ्लाइट पे हैं, बहुत फ़र्क है. तो दिस इज़ हाउ इट वर्क्स.
सर आपने 2-2.5 घंटे की बात की, आपने धुरंधर देखी है 3.25 घंटे की सेकंड पार्ट सिर्फ है.
सर मैंने भी एक सौदागर बनाई थी 3.5 घंटे की.
बट उस वक्त शायद 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा मूवी चलाने नहीं देते एक शो मेरे ख्याल.
You see, it is never a length of a film. It is always boring. 15 मिनट की फिल्म भी हो सकती है, एंड इंग्रॉसिंग 5 घंटे की भी हो सकती है. डिपेंड करता है कि जब बोलते हैं ना आप बच्चों का अटेंशन स्पैन बहुत कम हो गया है, नो, it means your talks are not worth listening for him. He understands in one line what you are speaking in 10 lines. So when you are quick enough to talk his language and engross him, he will listen to you. Tell him, hey, come here. I will give you a job of 2 lakhs rupees per month. He will listen to you for 20 minutes. Am I right? If you say I'm giving you a job of 20,000, he will listen to you only for 2 minutes. You have to create interest in them. So it is a speaker who should take care of the listener first. That's our formula.
All right. So, and Meghna, probably I'll start with you on this question. And I wanted to understand about Whistling Woods. Mukta Arts was already, something extraordinary. And with this, what are you creating? And which was harder to build actually? The Mukta Art brand or Whistling Woods? Because here is a brand driven by one person or an institution. So which one is more difficult? And what are we doing with Whistling Woods? We are passing down what has been created by Subhash ji.
I think Mukta Arts has its own journey, and again, I don't think it's a personal brand. Yes, Subhash.
Let me introduce myself. You see what he is talking, you do not know what he is talking about. I am a producer, director, writer also, and a chairman of a company who runs the entertainment sectors. And she is the president of a film school, multimedia film school, where she only educates people, the young filmmakers. She creates young filmmakers. So we are two different people. I'm a businessman, she is an educationist. अब यहाँ से बात
But
शुरू
before
करते
the businessman, he's a filmmaker, and then he built something in Mukta Arts, which is truly, something that I think the Indian entertainment industry had not seen before. So Mukta Arts did lots of new, first things, right? We were the first company to be a private limited company when everybody else used to run like a proprietorship. We were the first company to be launched on the Bombay Stock Exchange. Tal was the first film to be insured. Film insurance was never heard of. So we did a lot of firsts with Mukta Arts. And I think Mukta Arts as a company is more than him as well, because there were people who were helping it build it. Whistling Woods is the education arm of Mukta Arts, and it's purely his dream. Just like Mukta Arts came from his dream, Whistling Woods was his dream when he was struggling in Bombay, looking for work. He realized that there was nowhere that he could go, no one he could reach out to help him navigate through this journey. And I remember even as I was growing up, he used to often tell me that I want to build a library, I want to build something where all this fan mail that we get, all these people who apply for jobs to become directors or writers, wo kahan jayenge, right? Where do they go? There's no training, there's no network here. And that is where Whistling Woods started. We started 20 years ago in 2006 with 75 students. Today we are 1,200 students, 4,000 alumni who have graduated into the industry. And I think truly what we've done is we're not just a film school anymore, we are a creative arts university. And I think what we've truly done is established that film, creativity, can be looked at as a mainstream sector for education. You don't have to just become lawyers and doctors and teachers and the traditional forms. You can actually make a career out of becoming a writer, a director, a game designer, or an animator. So I think what I feel, just going back to where I started, where we fulfilled what he said was that today with those 4,000 alumni in the industry, we've truly created a network of students, of kids, talented professionals who have no film background. But today they are able to find work, they're able to follow their dream because they have each other. Yeah? So we've built this network of individual talented students who are now working together, and Whistling Woods becomes that ecosystem for them to always fall back on. So we're more than just a school. We are literally like a cultural ecosystem that we've created for the industry.
Sir.
Can I share with you one very smart thing? Please put off your phone first. It's interesting. In my childhood, I asked my mother, what is success? My father was a doctor, well-to-do family. My mother told me that success means that first you have to become what you want to become. And you become a successful person in that field. So you have to work right from your childhood. You have to observe, study. But that is not a success that you become a successful. You become successful only when you share your success with the next generation and other people when you some success. That is called a success. Success is not just for your family. कि मेरे बच्चे हैं यार, इनको सिक्योर कर दूँ, इनको लंगड़ा कर दूँ, धुला कर दूँ, पैसे खूब दे दूँ, अपना ऐश करेंगे, डिस्को जाएंगे, हमको क्या है? Build up your children. You are the builders of next generation. Generation में बहुत से लोग आते हैं apart from your own family. There are many children. That's what I thought, because I introduced so many stars, so many artists, as you know, in the film industry. Right from Jackie Sharaf to Madhuri Dixit to Manisha Koirala to Anil Kapoor to Sanjay Dutt, and list is on and on. But then what happened is there are so many newcomers who are coming from the various states to my office. मैं बोला बच्चे मैं आपको कैसे बना सकता हूँ? मैं तो 1 साल में 2 साल में एक पिक्चर बनाता हूँ. नहीं साहब आप आशीर्वाद रख दीजिए. You know how the children talk. मैं बोला ये लो आशीर्वाद, अब बन गए. ये क्या है? Then I went to Mr. Dilip Kumar, who I was working with Saudagar. And I told him, sir, now I have got money. I've got a success. I've got a knowledge. I've got experience. Every film maker, every top filmmaker in our Bombay, they have made studios. Mehboob Studio, Raj Kapoor Studio, Guru Dutt Studios. So should I go for the studios or should I create a school for the next generation to educate them, to nurture them what is the professional course of this whole business, he said, go for school because you have that knack. And from there, I went to 32 different countries to understand how a film or multimedia school runs. All over the West countries, Singapore, Australia, Europe, बहुत घूमा. I made a created a report. I gathered my people from the industry, the senior ones, and I told them that I want to do that. ऐसे नहीं बन जाता है स्कूल, वो आपके अंदर होना चाहिए. Today I am so proud that we have a 400 alumni working in the industry. Can you beat it? You see any film, any OTT, anything, there is our boy. 2, 3, 4, 1 boy is working. So you feel, यार ये काम क्या फिल्में तो बनती रहती हैं. फिल्में आएंगे, लोग चले जाएंगे, लोग आएंगे, चले जाएंगे. To give others. So I would like to advise all of you, which you know about it, that you must spend few hours to various schools, to various institutions, go there and talk about your experience. Share your knowledge and experience. And if you can open a school or this kind of things, nothing like it. But if you don't have a time, you should go there. Volunteer yourself because you have learned a lot in life. You have made yourself. Am I right, sir?
Of course, sir, sharing. And that's what we had Mr. Dr. Velumani, who employed 25,000 interns in his organization.
Big clap. Great.
To teach them, to pass on the knowledge that he had. So we have a little time. I mean, we have run out of time. But with your permission, may I look around and see if anyone has any questions for you? So if you have any questions, if you can raise your hand, keep the question short, please. And can we have the mic here? Do we have the mics here?
Yeah, question answer session, please. Speak up your mind. I'm there.
Here, one.
To answer you right or wrong.
Yeah.
भाई ये लाइट जो है मैं देख नहीं सकता.
सर, अपनी मूवीज में आपका अपीयरेंस वाला मतलब आइडिया कहाँ से आया? उसके पीछे की घटना क्या है?
I was asked this question before also that sir.
इसको बोलते हैं मूवी गोर. मैं हर फिल्म में एक शॉट में आता हूँ और उससे मेरी थोड़ी सी पहचान बनती है. मैं जिंदगी भर डायरेक्टर बना रहता था, कोई मेरे को नहीं जानता था, है ना. मेरे पिताजी ने दिल्ली से जब मुझे भेजा FTI में एक्टर बनने के लिए, अब उतना खर्चा कर चुके थे, इतनी मेहनत कर चुके थे, तो कुछ तो उनको बताना था कि देखिए एक शॉट में हूँ मैं.
But I just want to add there कि उससे इनका जो brand बना, it's not just for him. People in that time, nobody knew what a director looked like, right? But they knew that this is a Subhash Ghai film, whether the actor was whoever. And I feel he did a service to many technicians in that way because people got to know who is a director of a film, who is a sound designer of a film. I remember his first time we had a billboard of a film where the lyricists and the Lakshmikant Pyarelal and Anand Bakshiji's names were listed on a billboard. It was never done before. So I think that respect that you give to technicians, so it seems like, he did it for fun, but I think he made a big impact with that.
Maybe one more question just because we have some. Can you have the mic there? अच्छा ठीक है, 2 question आपका और उनका बस.
But keep it very brief.
Very brief. Yeah.
Hello, sir. I'm from the Film Institute. I did my film appreciation program. So this question is more relevant that you've been very, very relevant across generations. What is your personal framework for reinvention, especially considering, how do you really remain relevant throughout these generations that you've touched the lives of? You're more than a mentor. You're more than just having Whistling Woods. It's your philosophy of life that I'm trying to check in this question.
You see, when you reinvent means that time asks you. If you are slow, if you think I will become a master, you will never reinvent. Remain student throughout your life. Today I am learning AIs. I talk to the Gemini, I talk to the people, I talk to the whole network. So I understand what are the things I never knew about it. So you always invent yourself. I invented director, writer, producer, corporate, educationist. Now I'm in front of you. Thank you. Next.
Thank you.
Final question there, I think there, gentleman.
सर आज का स्टेटस फिल्मों का ये है कि सारे जो हॉल्स हैं वो एम्प्टी चल रहे हैं मोरलेस, और जो पिक्चर जो सबसे अच्छी बता रहे हैं अभी धुरंधर, वो हमारे पास स्टोरी लाइन नहीं है कि हमें दूसरी कंट्री के बारे में देख के हम उसको इतना खुश हो रहे हैं। पता नहीं इसके बारे में आप बोल रहे हैं कि मैंने स्कूल खोल रखा है, सब ठीक कर रहे हैं आप सर। आज आपके डायरेक्टर्स, आपके स्टोरी राइटर्स कहाँ चले गए सब? क्या हो क्या रहा है पिक्चर से?
सभी विस्लिंग गुड में नहीं आए।
कितना बड़ा इम्प्रूव
मेरा एक ही आंसर है, सभी विस्लिंग गुड में नहीं आए ना।
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. We have to wrap up. We have to wrap up this session. If you can.
Sir, I think we'll take that off stage, please. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being patient. And of course, we have to be when a legend, the showman himself, Mr. Guy, is here. Thank you so much, everyone.